So with that 13 millimeter, since it was so rusty, I had to put a 1/2 inch on there and tap it on there so that it would lock on there. That 13 millimeter was just too bad. That's the 1/2 inch. That wouldn't work on there. And this 13, I think this is the 13. Yeah, and this wouldn't work on there either. It was just a little bit too worn out and wallered. So this guy was too small. Yep. So I got the 3. I got the 1/2 inch drive, 1/2 inch socket, and that worked. Now we can remove this bolt here and get this off here. Get this other pulley off.